Winter in the Coachella Valley might not bring snow, but the chill in the air is enough to remind us that even desert winters demand comfort. As the temperatures drop, your HVAC system becomes your best ally in keeping your home cozy and your family comfortable. But here's the big question. Is your system ready to handle the season ahead? A poorly maintained HVAC system doesn't just struggle to keep up. It can cost you more in energy bills, lead to unexpected breakdowns, and even put your family's safety at risk. Winter. HVAC maintenance is about more than just keeping warm. It's about efficiency, reliability, and peace of mind. Imagine sitting down with your loved ones for a movie night, only to have your heater fail right when you need it most. Routine maintenance ensures that your system is running at peak performance, catching potential issues before they become costly emergencies. At Anthem, we know that prevention is the key to avoiding those inconvenient breakdowns. Our team of expert technicians performs thorough inspections and tune-ups, making sure your system is clean, safe, and optimized for the season ahead. Another critical aspect of HVAC maintenance is energy efficiency. Did you know that a well-maintained system can save you money on your energy bills? Dirty filters and neglected components force your system to work harder, driving up costs. By scheduling your winter HVAC maintenance with Anthem, you can enjoy a home that's both comfortable and energy efficient. Plus, a properly cared-for system lasts longer, protecting your investment and keeping your home's climate control reliable for years to come. Don't wait until the cold sets in to think about your HVAC system. Call Anthem today to schedule your winter HVAC maintenance and ensure your system is ready for the season. We're proud to serve the Coachella Valley with reliable, professional service that prioritizes your comfort and safety. Visit our website at anthemcv.com or give us a call to book your appointment. Because when it comes to your home, your comfort shouldn't take a holiday. Let Anthem. Heating, cooling, and plumbing keep you warm this winter.